जमीन की बात नहीं है।
In Hyderabad, a government notice from the Congress-led Telangana administration has sparked a wave of student protests at the Maulana Azad National Urdu University. The notice demands the reclamation of 50 acres of land, which the students say is crucial for the university's future expansion. The protesting students, under the MANUU Students Collective, accused the government of targeting public education and warned that taking back the land would directly affect their education and future opportunities. They have demanded the immediate withdrawal of the notice. The notice issued by the Ranga Reddy district collector cited a violation of allotment conditions, claiming that while 150 acres are being used for university infrastructure, the remaining 50 acres remain vacant. The political storm escalated as the BJP leader and Union Minister Bandi Sanjay supported the students, questioning whether the government plans to sell the land. Sanjay added that a government failing to provide basic facilities has no moral right to seize educational land. Meanwhile, AIMIM MLA Akbaruddin Owaisi raised the issue in the assembly, revealing that similar notices have reportedly been issued to other institutions like the Indian School of Business. He demanded clarity from the government and compared the situation to earlier controversies at Hyderabad Central University. Even BRS Working President KT Rama Rao, known as KTR, criticized the Congress, alleging that the 50 acres are reserved for future academic blocks, hostels, and new courses, and warned that the government is undermining students' interests. The dispute highlights growing tension in Telangana over the state's handling of public educational land, and the protests at MANUU are expected to continue until the government responds.